Okay, friends, I think we're recording now. Actually, no, I'm sure of it. So we are now recording. I'm going to ask you to keep any questions that you have until the end of this lesson. That way, it's just a tutorial or like a lesson video of what to do for this biodiversity plan, or what filmmakers might call a storyboard. So we're going to be planning out what our movie looks like, and the first part of the plan is just an introduction to the idea of biodiversity. So the question here is, what is biodiversity? So here I'm going to write my answer. Biodiversity means differences in living. Bio means living. Diversity is differences. Oops, let me fix that spelling. There we go. So as you can see here, it is a sentence, but then there's also like some point form type stuff. And that's normal because when we're making a video, these might be parts that I'm narrating. So something that I might be reading while an image is shown or while a clip of something is shown. So this is okay to have a combination of sentences and point form looking things. It's also a shorter answer, and for some of these, they'll be short and some will be longer. The next question here is, why does our planet need biodiversity? Our planet needs biodiversity for its health and its survival. A healthy planet has a variety of food webs and ecosystems that rely on all kinds of different creatures. We watched a Bill Nye video that explained this very well. Bill said to imagine a tower built of wood blocks. Each creature represents a block. When you start to remove blocks, the whole tower can collapse. Differences in living things keep our planet healthy. So, as you might have noticed, this one's a bit longer than the last one, and that's just because I had more to say. Some students asked before, what's long enough? And I wish I had an answer for you. What I can tell you is that these slides and this video is a chance to show me everything you've known. So the more that you can show, the better. Let's move on to some creatures. Name an impressive plant. So here I'm going to say the Pisonia tree. Now, why does our planet need these creatures? So the Pisonia tree helps to control bird populations. It drops its sticky seeds all over the floor. Nope, not the floor, the ground in the forest. Those seeds stick to birds, and then those birds can bring them to different parts of the forest. Also, sometimes birds get so stuck that they can't fly away and they die. This sounds sad, but it's necessary to fertilize and nourish soil. Dead birds actually help to make the soil strong and calm. Just fix this one here. I'm sure there's other mistakes that are going to come up, but I'm going to try to get through them quickly. Another impressive plant will be grass. Grass covers approximately 1/3 of the 1/3 of the ground on Earth. It feeds a lot of creatures and helps to clean the. It's very strong and can grow in water and after a fire. So as you can see, I have different amounts for both my different plants, and that's okay. Next, an impressive animal, the raccoon. The raccoon is a very interesting creature that can adapt to many different environments, even the city. Our planet needs them because they are decomposers. They help to break down dead things and speed up the process of composting. Just fix that because, oops. Fix this one here. There we go. My next creature here is the grass cutter ant. The grass cutter ant is impressive. It is one of the few creatures that can cut up thick grasses. It uses the cut grass to feed fungus, or we would call them, if there's many fungi, but to feed a fungus that then feeds its young children. It has learned and adapted to consume something that not many other animals can. Okay. So let me just fix my something there, and we're good to go. Let's let Aiden in. Okay, good. Finally, the bobcat. The bobcat is an amazing hunter. It can jump high and far. It can swim. It can hunt silently by jumping from rock to rock in winter climates. Our planet needs bobcats to control populations of other animals. This means that through its hunting, the bobcat keeps balance on Earth. All right, final slide. Now that you know more about biodiversity, how can you apply your knowledge to help our planet? Diversity is what keeps our planet healthy. Variety in creatures on Earth helps to maintain balance. Without predators, animal populations would get out of control. Without plants producers, we would have nothing to eat. It is our job to care for our planet. This means more than just recycling and picking up trash. This means telling others about why we need to care for all creatures on Earth. Now that I know more about biodiversity, it's my job to explain it to others so that together we can make a difference. Fix a couple mistakes here. And that, my friends, is it. Now, it looks like a lot of work, and it is a lot of work. I'm not going to lie to you. This one is a bunch of work, but I know you can do it, and I promise you I'm going to give you as much time as you need to get it done. Sorry.